Thought I'd just make this video. Installed a new hot water tank, and I didn't want to sweat the pipes because I've never really done that before. I've watched it done, but I haven't done it myself personally. But these fittings are from SharkBite. This is one of their slip joints, and the valves, and it's got the elbows to put on it. Measure the thing up, everything up to height, and so far everything looks good. I've used these the SharkBite products before on a repair to the plumbing in the bathroom as far as the shower, and I haven't had any problems out of it. And this was done a few years back. So if you have any plumbing repairs to do and you're not a good solder or pipe sweater or whatever, I recommend buying the SharkBite fittings. Like I said, they're easy to install. They make all kind of fittings too, all kind of ends, all kind of joints and elbows. And they also make them for PVC piping. But other than that, this is all you need. Yeah, I ran out of tape, so I'm just gonna tape this up, which, since your exhaust vent for your gas, the heat, and it needs to be taped, needs to be sealed. But other than that, all this is SharkBite. The cool thing about it, they rotate, easily. And to disconnect, you use and to disconnect them, this is all you need. Now this, you can buy these separately. This came with the valve, and this is for a three-quarter pipe. And you just take it, put it over the pipe here, and what it does is you push back on this and it just releases it, and you slide it out. It's the coolest damn thing I ever seen. And a lot of old cats that in plumbing don't use it. It's still old school, but I mean, I have nothing against that, but I mean, if it's good, I mean, you use it, keep up with the time. But again, this is SharkBite.